Hello guys, you're welcome. In this video, I will show you how to list your products on MyZimly. I'll show you how to list your products on your e-commerce website or e-commerce store you've created on using myzimly.com. So I believe by now you've created your account and you've already created your store. So if you haven't done that, there's a video that we have that explains how you can create your account and probably create your e-commerce website or e-commerce store using Zimly. So log on to myzimly.com or you can equally check the video in our channel and you're going to see the video as well. So I'm going to log on to my account and we can get started immediately. So okay, so if you have created your business, your e-commerce websites, okay, this is what you're going to have. So if you haven't done that, once you created your account, you're going to see this button and you can use this button and create your e-commerce website. Okay, so but I already have my e-commerce website, so I'm going to get started. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create your your product. Okay, so if I visit my e-commerce front store, so you're going to see the product I already have. Okay, so it's loading, so you're going to be seeing that in a short while. So you can see, so these are the products I have in my e-commerce store already, my e-commerce website that I created with Zimly. So I'll show you how you can upload your product as well and get started. Okay, so to get started, we're going to click on manage store. So this button you see here, manage store. So it's going to take us to the environment that we can manage our e-commerce website. So this is environment that we can manage all the activities that happen in our e-commerce website. Okay, so the first thing we have here, you can see we have the top selling product. Okay, so we have also this is top selling product online. So this is the top selling products. Basically there's the recorded one as well. So there's other things you can see here about your income, yearly income, and also your expenses as well. You can navigate over the years as well. Okay, so but the main purpose of this video is to show you how you can add your product. Okay, so to add your product, by your left side, okay, you can see you're going to see this on the menu. From the menu side, you're going to see add product. So I'm going to click on this. So it's going to take us to the environment that we're going to add our product. Okay, so we have this. So the first thing we have here, okay, is the product type. So Zimly gives you room to either upload your physical product or digital product as well. So if you have a physical product such as your gadgets, your clothing, and so your physical products, so you can upload them here. Okay, so you select the first one. Then if you have digital product are such as ebooks, softwares, or video courses. Okay, so you're gonna select digital product. Okay, so and if you select physical products, you can now add all this. Okay, so but if you select digital product, it's going to give you an environment where you can upload your digital files. You can see your digital files. So this is where you can upload. Click here now, you can upload all your digital files. So if I click there now, you can see where you can do the whole upload. Okay, so but we are uploading physical product. Okay, so we are not adding digital product. Okay, so now the first thing you see after the product type is the name. So we will be uploading a bag. Okay, so this is just for demo purposes. So we're going to upload a women bag. So you can see I've already added something like that before. Okay, so I'm just going to select that. You can see enter that. Okay, so this is where you have to enter. So why I'm just pre-selecting this because I already entered it before. Okay, then this is description. So this is for search engine optimization. So now this is to help Google when someone may be searching anything related to your products. Google can present your product to them. So this is what you're going to do here. So you can add things that you believe that people can search related to this. Okay, maybe you can say bags for occasions, something like that. So this particular aspect doesn't come to the product description. You can say bags for special occasions. So uh so like I said, so this is for search engine optimization. You can equally add things like I say nice women bags. So you separate each one with comma, okay? So you just add things that you think that people can type in the search engine for this, okay? So that's just it, okay? So then this is where you now have the main product description. This is where you're going to enter everything you believe that the customer needs to know about the product, or that the customer can read to get to be convinced, okay, to buy this product. So this is the product description. So this is what I'm going to say. You can say this is, I don't know. So you here you're going to enter uh, everything you need, you know, about the product. Okay, so this is a demo. For demo purpose, so I'm just going to enter just very few things. Okay, okay. So I can say women back location. So you can enter more things. Okay, so now here, this is where you're going to select the category. So if you don't have the category on your system, at default, Zimri creates some categories for you based on the section, your business sector, I mean to say. So you're going to create some of them. So if your category, you don't see it here, the category you intend to upload the product, don't see it here, you can add new. So, and remember, while you're adding new, you don't have to add it again. So once you add it, it's going to appear. So next time you don't need to add the same category again. So all you need to do, you select it. Okay. Yeah. For instance, now women bags. Okay. I already have it here and I added it before. So now I don't need to add it again. So all I need is to click on this select and pick it up. Okay. And I've already added the categories, the subcategories under it. So on that is by clicking, I can see shorthand. So maybe I can add a new one under it. I can say longhand. Okay. So I can just select this category, which is women. I can say longhand. So I'll just submit. So you can see it has entered. So for next time, if I'm uploading a product of women's bag under the categories of women bag and longhand, I don't have to enter it again. All I need to do is to click here and select it. So you don't need to enter it multiple times. Okay. So this is for the product brand. Okay. So if you already added the brand before, like I said, just like this one, you don't need to add it again. You just select. So maybe there's a new brand and you want to add it. You just add it here. You can say, okay, this is a new brand. Okay, so we can say this is a new brand, or we can say a demo brand. No, I don't know. So depends on you. Okay, let's say a demo brand. So I'm going to click on submit. So we're going to have it here. So this is already here. So like I said, next time, if it's the same brand, I don't need to enter it again. I'll just click select and pick it up. Okay. So now this is the quantity. So how many of these bags do we have? Okay, let's say we have about 20 of them. Okay, so this is 20 pieces. Okay. Now, is it the same size? Are they different sizes? So let's say we have different sizes. If they are the same size, you don't need to add size. Okay. So if they're different sizes, so you click on this button add size. So you can click on it multiple times depending on how many sizes you have. Maybe you have 3 different sizes or 4 different sizes or 5 different sizes. So that means you're going to click this button 5 times. Okay, if it is 5 different sizes, so I'm going to click it 5 times. Okay, so but if you don't need them, okay, if you don't need them, you can still click on this red minus, okay, to remove them, the sizes I've added. Maybe you added excess of it. Okay, just click on here to remove them. Okay. So let's say we have about 3 sizes. Let's say small. Okay. Let's say small. Okay. So then the next thing we have here is medium. Okay. Then the next thing we have here is large. Okay. So these are the sizes. Let's assume that these are the sizes we have. Okay. You can have yours. You can have different sizes. Okay. These are colors. Okay, let's say we have about 2 colors. Okay, let's say we have a purple, we have white. So let's say we have white. Okay, so then the next thing, let's say we have maybe blue, or okay, let's say black. Okay, so now You can have multiple colors, okay, for them to choose. Let's say we have pink. Okay, so these are the colors we have. Then remember, if there's no color, if there's no sizes, then you're going to leave it blank. Okay, now the next thing we have here is this cost price, the cost price. So this is the amount of money you buy the product, okay, or you produce the product if you're the one producing it. So this is the total cost it took you to either to purchase the product or to produce the product. Okay, so let's say it took us like let's say it took us 10,000 naira. Okay, so we have 10,000 naira. Okay, now then we have the sales price now. So we want to sell it. Let's say we want to sell it. We want to make a profit of 2x. So let's say we want to sell it for 20,000. Okay, so this is 20,000. Now, oh, we want to still give a discount. Oh, okay, let's give a discount of 3,000 naira. So that means instead of them buying it now 20,000, they will now buy it 17,000 because we're giving them a discount of 3,000. Okay, so we're going to give a discount of 3,000 to them. Okay, so now, but if I don't want to give any discounts, all I need to do is to put 0 here. Okay, so that is it, is 0. There's no discount. Okay, but I want to give a discount of 3,000, so I'm going to put 3,000. Okay, now here is tax. Okay, this is just to make things easier. Maybe since it's a bag, we can say bag. So now in your store, like if you come here now, you can see, if you come down, you can see there's tags here. So you can see tags. Okay, so now with this tag now, maybe you have different bags. So and you're adding this tag, okay, in each of them. So next time when customer come, they can go to tags and see bags and just click on that tag. So what happens is that the system will now display all the whole products, all the whole that has the tag of bag on them. So maybe all the whole bags you have on the system, so on your e-commerce store, so the system will automatically display all of them to them. So we're going to add bag and press enter. So we already added it. Okay, now you can see maybe say occasions, something like that. You can say add occasions. Okay, so that it can still be like a tag. So maybe if someone see occasions and now, okay, these are the items that someone can use for occasions. So those depends. Those are some of the things you can add. You can add multiple tags as well. Okay, then this is where you add your image. Now, so for image has to be at least the first and second image are compulsory. So you can leave other ones, okay, if you don't have up to these numbers. Okay, so you can say, so we're going to add the first one. So let's say this is the bag. So we're going to select this, and we can, so the system before gives you room to crop the image, so you can enlarge, you can just choose the position you want and now crop. So you can still drag this, okay, to position it well to the section you want to pick. Then you crop the image. So the image is going to crop and we're going to see it. So you can see it has cropped. Then we're going to add the second image. So let's say this bag is the same bag. So let's assume this image is the second image. Okay, so this is just for demo purposes. Okay, so now we have it. So I'm going to select it. We're going to crop it. So let's say we have also the third image. Okay, so let's assume this is also the third image. Okay, you can see I have to drag it in also for me to be able to cover it. So simply gives you that room to be able to crop and select the particular part of the image you want. So I'm going to crop it. Okay, so this is it. And so the next thing we are going to do, so if you still have other images you can add, okay, but I don't have, so we can just leave these ones. So now if you have a video, okay, currently you can add a video. Maybe you already created a video like YouTube video or Vimeo video about this product, so you can just select the video source and enter. If it is YouTube, you click on YouTube, then you place the YouTube link. So what we mean by the YouTube link is when you go to your youtube.com, so the whole link that is associated on that browser, so you're just going to click the whole link associated at the top, then paste it here. So the person will automatically pick the video ID using the link. Okay, so that's what happens here. So then if it's Vimeo, you add that. So but I don't have any video, so I'm just going to leave it on select. But if you click on YouTube, that means you must add a YouTube video. So but if you don't have any video, just leave it on select video type. Okay, so I don't have. Then the next thing is add to featured product. Okay, now what is featured product? Now once you come to my e-commerce site, you can see this is featured product. So these are the products I want customers who are visiting my website to see on the landing page. So once they come to the landing page, they'll see this product. So these are products to maybe interesting product you believe that they will love. Just a product to welcome them in. So to equally to give them the impression that hey, we have nice products in our website. Okay. So those interesting products are high demanded products. Okay, you can add them here. So that's what we mean by featured product. The product that the customers that is going to appear on your landing page for them to see. So we have many of them here. You can see. So that is it. So that is what you have here as a featured product. So let's say we want it to appear there as well. So we're going to select this. So we make sure that this is checked. Okay. So once this is checked, it's going to appear there. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do is to review everything you've added. So you make sure that everything is in line. You check your short description, the name, the categories and subcategories, the brand, the quantities. Make sure how many you have in stock. Also the sizes, if there are sizes, are they in line? These are the colors. If you don't have any of them, you remember you can remove them by clicking on the button here. Or okay, so then this is the cost price, the sales price, and the discount price. Okay, then you remember what they are all about, the tax. And after you reviewed all the everything, you can now click on Save Products. See, the product has added successfully. So do you want to add more products, or do you want to view your product list? So I don't want to add more. I just want to view on my product list. So right now, you can see we now have this product here. So you can see the discount, you can see the price we're selling the product. Then this is the total sale, and this is the views today. So we haven't had any views on this. So this means it's online, so you can preview. You can equally physical product. So this is the product type. So you can see this is the product type. So these are the actions. These are things you can do. So if you want to see the product details, you click here. You see the product details. So it has loaded. You can see the product details. Then if you go to edit, you can edit the product. So if you go to edit now, you're going to see everything that you've added before, everything. So you can make your correction. Maybe there's a mistake you make. You can see we have everything that I've added before. Okay. So just as the way they are. So I don't have any mistakes. I'll just go back. Okay. So that is it. Then if you come back now, if we go back to our product, so our e-commerce website. So if I reload this, so you're going to see we'll have that product here because it's one of the products we wanted to appear in our featured product. So we can see we have it here. So you can see we have the product here, and you can see now, you can see the price is this, then the discount, because we are giving a discount of, remember we gave a discount of 30,000 naira, so that is why we are seeing 17,000 here. Okay, and this is the percentage discount. Okay, now if I come down now, you can see we now have those tags. You can see we have the bags, we have the occasion, so customers can just click on them and go straight and see everything that is related to it. Okay, so then if I come back to my account, so we can see special offers as well. Okay, you can equally see featured products. So this is where you can manage all the whole featured products you have. So maybe if there's any of them you want to remove, so currently we have about 9 products in this particular place. So maybe there's any of them we want to change or remove, or want to remove it. This is now old, so you can just click here and remove them. So just click here, it's going to remove automatically. So we have it out. Okay, so that is it. So remember, featured product are the products that appears here. Okay, the landing page to interest the customers as well. Then we have special offers. So special offers are just like Black Friday, where you try to maybe reduce the price of a product in order to attract customers. Okay, or maybe in order to tell customers, hey, from this time to this time we'll be selling this product for this particular price, so rush now and go and buy. So it's a way of marketing. Okay, apart from using coupon code, is also a way of marketing as well. So to add a special product, so let's say we want to add our product now, we just added in a special product. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on add product. Okay, so once I click on add product, I will. So yeah, it's loading. So we're going to see our products, and from there we're going to add them. Okay, so now we have this. So we're going to select the product. So this is the last product we added. So we're going to select it. Then so currently remember the price is 20K and we are giving a discount of 3K, now making it 17K. So now let's say we want to sell this product 15,000 naira. Okay, or let's say okay, we bought the product 10,000, so at least we have to make some profit. So let's say, yeah, let's just want to make a profit of 5,000 naira instead of seven. So I want to sell it within this period to this price. So let's say the new price now will now become 15,000. Okay, so this is the 15,000, and we want to sell it. We want to stop selling once it is midnight of today, because midnight of today is actually starts tomorrow. Okay, or let's say midnight of next tomorrow. So which means it's going to run about 24 hours. And okay, so depending on you, you can equally put a particular time, okay, for it. Okay, so now we can now submit and say, okay, within this period to this period. So it's going to run for 24 hours, more than a day. Okay, so that is what I have here. So I'm going to submit. So remember, the new price is this now. So it has added. So we have it here now. You can see the new price. This is when it's ending, and this is when it's starting. So now, if I come back here and if I reload, it's going to see there's going to be a countdown, and this price is going to change automatically. Okay, so let me reload it. So it's reloading, and you're going to see the changes. Okay, you can see the price has automatically changed from 17 to 15. I see. So you can see the new discount now has changed as well. So now, and you can see the countdown. The countdown is 1 day. So it's ending, or the offer ends in 1 day, 1 day, 13 hours and 27 seconds, 28 minutes. Then you can see the seconds counting down. So this is it. So you can go to product. You can click on this to view the product details. Okay, and equally send this particular link to your customers. Hey, we are buying this product this period, and we are selling this product this period, and it's going to end soon. So you go and buy. So this is the current price. So you can see if you want to add it to the cart now, you can see all those things you added, the sizes, the colors, everything are here. So they can select and add. Okay, so you can see. So this is how special offer works. So once they come to the home page, they're going to see the prices change and everything, and they can buy from it. Okay, so that is it. So you can see the countdown is here, and they can equally have a quick view of the product. Okay, so once they click on quick view, so you're going to load the quick view. You can see we have the quick view of the product, and everything is here as well. So that is it. So now, yeah, if we come back, so we have recently deleted. So right now, I don't think we have we have deleted any product. Okay, so now once you delete a product, so maybe if I come to my product or my product list and I click on delete, so what happens is that this product, it doesn't leave the system immediately. It goes to this recently deleted. Okay, so here now, I can delete forever. That means I won't have access to this product again, or I can still restore it. And also, once it's 30 days, currently it's 29 days. So once it's 30 days, once these days elapse, it will now automatically delete. Okay, so what the whole idea is that maybe you want to retrieve this product back. So you should do that within the next 29 days. So if you don't retrieve it back, so after the 29 days, they will all gone. Okay. So now the next thing you have here is the stock. So you can see review. So if there's any review that we already have on the products, you're going to see it here. Okay. So currently there's no review, and you would encourage your customers to make product review, because those are the things that we encourage other customers to buy. So if any customer buy your goods and services, encourage them to make reviews as well. Okay. So now the next thing you have here is go to stock keeping. So this is where you can now see all your products, and you can you can see the ones in red, which means are already less than 10. So we can edit this and increase the stock. So you can equally see the details: cost price, sales price, discount, profit, the profit you are making, all-time sales. You can see the all-time sales. You can see the SKU number. So let's say we want to increase this. So if you don't increase it and the quantity, the stock has finished, then it might enter out of stock. Okay. So let's say this is 100. Okay. So we have new stock. So you can still add a add this. Maybe it has sizes. Okay. And equally update your stock. Okay. So if we're going to update it, and it's going to, so you can see it has affected. We now have 100. Okay. So that is it. And if so if we go back to our recently deleted product, yeah, so that we can, so go to products, see where it is on the product list. So we go to recently deleted products. So let's retrieve these products. So we want to retrieve it. We don't want to delete it forever. So if we come back to stock keeping, so now we equally have our products. So you can see the products here. And one thing about this stock keeping is that yes, is the order, like the display order or the listing order, is based on this quantity. So this is a way to present the ones that will be out of stock soon. Okay, so you can see the order of list is based on their quantity. Okay, so this one are going to go to out of stock soon. So what you need to do is to update them. So you can see our bag, you can see it here. So we can see edit stock, and you can see the changes. You can see all the sizes and the colors are equally here as well. So you can equally make those changes as well. So this is it. Okay. So this is how you can upload your products and equally start selling your products to your customers. Okay. So there's going to be other videos on how you can manage your sales and others. So see you next time in our next video, and have a great day. Bye.